This video looks at the SmartView Wizard report library and how you can download a pre-built report from the library for a chosen point of view, and also how to upload reports to the library. To use the report library, there's no need to first connect the workbook. Instead, you just select the desired SmartView connection from the report library options, and this will display the report library form, showing the reports that have been previously saved to the shared folder and to your own private folder. To download a report from the library, simply navigate to it, and then on the right hand side, select the initial point of view, and then finally OK to download the report. The report workbook will be downloaded and populated with data from the chosen point of view. A workbook downloaded from the report library can have many worksheets, each linked to the initial point of view and all having the standard SmartView Wizard functionality such as drill down on the SmartView formula. So let's have a look at how you would set up the SmartView Wizard's report library. First, select the application that you want to connect to from the options in the report library, and in the report library form, select the Setup tab. The report library will show reports from two folders, a private folder and a shared folder. The private folder is on your C drive and will be a subfolder of the location where the SmartView Wizard XLAM file has been saved. We don't advise changing this unless you absolutely have to. The shared folder should be a folder that has been set up and shared on your network for the specific purpose of sharing the SmartView Wizard reports. To set the location of the shared folder, select the Change button and navigate to the shared folder on the network. Ideally, a subfolder should be created named after the HFM application. Select the folder named after the HFM application, then select OK. The shared report library folder on the network should be set up with read access to all potential SmartView Wizard users, but for administrators and key users who will be uploading reports to the library, they should be given write access. And these admin users should then tick the I have write access to this folder checkbox so that the Save Reports button appears in the SmartView Wizard's menu. Setting up a shared folder is optional, and the private folder is created by default. If you have built a report and now want to save it to the report library, select the Save Report button, then select the Save Workbook option. Then choose whether you want to save this report to your private folder or if you have access to the shared folder. You then choose whether you want to leave the SmartView formulas intact in the workbook. If you save to your private folder, the SmartView formulas can be retained. If you save to the shared folder, by default the SmartView formulas will be removed from the report as it's saved to the shared folder. The SmartView formulas will be automatically added back to the report when it is downloaded from the report library. Removing the formulas adds an extra level of security for reports saved on a network drive. The next step is to choose where in the folder you want to save your report. Choose an existing folder or create a new one. Then enter the name of the file, then select Save, and then save again to confirm the upload of the file. If you chose the option to remove the SmartView formulas before saving, the SmartView formulas will have been removed from the workbook, so you can just close it down. Once a report has been saved to a shared folder, anybody who has set up their report library to access this shared folder can download the report using the report library function. They simply have to navigate to their shared reports library, locate the report, and once they have selected the initial point of view, the report can be opened up in their Excel. The SmartView formulas will have been added back and data will have been populated from the initial point of view they selected. The report library allows you to save and download entire workbooks, but there may be times when you just want to save the rows or columns of a report to reuse in a later report. Let's edit the rows in this report to create a new report structure. One of the easiest ways to build a report is to take an existing one and customize it to your needs by adding or deleting rows. Then, once you've created the structure you want to save, select the Save Report button again, but this time select the Save Report Rows option, and this will display the list of saved templates for the first dimension in the report rows. Select the Add New button and give the template a name. And this template will now be available in the Report Builder as a reusable element in future reports. To build a report using the saved template, select the Add Report button, select the Report Builder option, and if the template was saved to the account dimension, drag the account dimension over to the rows. Double-click on the item or select the Choose Account Members button, and from the Choose Members form, select the Templates option on the right-hand pane. The list of saved templates should appear on the left, so select the one you want. Then OK to return to the Report Builder form. Choose the dimension you want to form the columns of the report, and drag that to the Columns pane, then choose some members for that dimension. A report title is optional. Then select Add Report, and the report will be built using the saved template. In this video we looked at how you can set up the report library to point to both a private and a shared folder, and how you can upload and download reports from the report library. We also looked at how you can save elements of the report, either the rows or the columns, and save them as templates that can be reused in reports as part of the report builder.